Hi! With the launch of our newest feature, Dark Theme for iOS, we have also added an addition to our palette of colors. These are called adaptive colors and they sit at the very top of our list of available options for color. You can find them right here with all of options. And what makes this palette so special? Well, these brand new 11 colors that you can see over here as black, red, green, blue, orange, yellow, brown, pink, purple, teal, and gray have a special attribute that truly shines when we activate dark mode. So let's go and make the switch and see the magic happen. Now back to our note on the adaptive black color. It automatically reads that it's on dark mode and changes to a very bright white that is easy to read on the dark background. We also have the addition of all colorful options. Here you can see the difference with other standard colors where black stays black and red, green, blue, and orange remain with the same contrast, whereas the adaptive colors are especially set to provide the best contrast to offer maximum readability either on light or dark mode. So if you have a couple of notes set to our standard black and it's getting hard to read, you can select it all and change it to adaptive black. So when they are on light mode, it's going to show black on the white background, and when we switch to dark mode, it's going to show as white on the dark gray background.